So this video is gonna be fuel for the fire, and if you're new here, welcome to our channel where we put out motivational videos daily to help you with your business and your money. So if you want to subscribe, just tap that button right there and let's get into it. We got an email from one of our members. He was telling me about how he was looking for a job. He was trying to get his foot in the door for a company. He sent out 100 resumes and he only heard back from one of them. They wanted him to come in for an interview. Now, normally when someone sends out that many resumes and they only hear back from one, you know what most people are gonna say? Most people are gonna say, man, I guess I'm not good enough or I'm not worthy. Why would 99 companies reject me? This guy didn't do that. The one time he got the interview, he showed up. He went to the interview and guess what? They hired him. He got the job because of one simple thing that he did differently than other people. Here's what he said in the interview. They asked me why I applied for this position. I told them honestly that I have been applying for a position like this for over a year, and I really want to work for their company. I love their products and their service. That's the reason I kept on applying even though I heard nothing back from them. I told them that I was persistent and I'm not the type of employee that quits easily. They loved my persistence and my desire to work for their company. They said that my answers to their questions were perfect and that they were impressed with my honesty. Now listen to this. If you only hear back from 1% of the women or men that you're approaching, that's okay. It's not a waste. You just got 99 more no's, so you can get better at interviewing. You can get better at closing. You can get better at talking to people. You just got 99 more chances to practice your craft. Never quit. Don't ever fall into the trap of I'm too good for this. I'm not gonna do this anymore. What you're doing isn't working. If it doesn't work, change it up and try it again, but never, ever quit. This guy didn't quit. He actually went after it, got 100 rejections, and then the 101st time he got a job. A woman named Jada, she wanted to become an actress. She moved to Los Angeles and she was told by her acting coach that she needed to go to New York first to gain some experience. So she goes to New York and she's waiting tables, but she's still practicing and auditioning. One day she gets a call from one of her acting coaches. He says, Jada, you won't believe this, but you got an audition for this major motion picture coming out next week. Guess what? You're in. She got the role and it was the best role for her first movie ever. Her coach asked her, how did you get so lucky? How did you get this part? And she said, well, when I first came to New York, I auditioned nonstop for 3 months and I didn't get anything. But I kept on going, I kept on trying out, I never quit. And eventually things started to happen. Listen, if you get 100 no's, don't quit. Go for number 101. If you get 100 rejections on your YouTube videos, don't quit. Go for number 101. If you get 100 rejections in your dating life, don't quit. Go for number 101. Listen, we've had over 300 rejections on our channel before we got to the top 10. We've had over 300 videos that did and do well. Now we've had over 300 videos that have done really well. We've had over 1 million views in the last 30 days. But it wasn't because we quit, it was because we kept on going. I got a question for you. Are you gonna quit? Is this gonna be your excuse for quitting, or is this gonna be fuel for your fire? Listen, you're not as good as you think you are. You're not as bad as they say you are. You're not as smart as you think you are. You're not as dumb as they say you are. The truth is somewhere in between. So stop listening to all the noise and go after what you want. Become the person that you're meant to be, because guess what? There's no greater feeling than knowing that you achieved something all by yourself. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, you'll love the one coming up next. See you over there.